The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike represents a significant leap forward in the world of electric bicycles, combining speed, durability, and cutting-edge technology to offer an exhilarating ride for adults. With its powerful 1800W peak motor, this electric bike is designed to cater to both casual riders and thrill seekers, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to explore urban landscapes or rugged terrains. One of the standout features of the Aipas M1 Pro is its robust 1800W peak motor, which delivers impressive acceleration and top speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. The motor is not only powerful but also remarkably quiet, allowing you to enjoy a peaceful ride without the noise typically associated with traditional motorbikes. This efficiency is particularly beneficial for those who use the bike for commuting, as it helps reduce the overall environmental impact. The bike is equipped with a 48V lithium-ion battery, which provides a commendable range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the riding mode and terrain. This means you can easily navigate your daily commute or embark on longer weekend adventures without the constant worry of running out of power. Additionally, the battery is removable, making it convenient to charge at home or in the office without needing to lug the entire bike to a power source. The design of the Aipas M1 Pro is another highlight. The bike features a sturdy aluminum alloy frame that strikes a balance between lightweight and durability. It handles rough terrains with ease, making it suitable for both city streets and mountain trails. The frame design also incorporates a comfortable geometry, ensuring that riders maintain good posture during extended rides. The adjustable saddle and handlebars further enhance comfort, allowing for customization based on individual rider preferences. In terms of safety, the Aipas M1 Pro does not disappoint. It is equipped with high-quality hydraulic disc brakes that provide excellent stopping power, ensuring you can stop on a dime in various weather conditions. The bike also features front and rear LED lights, enhancing visibility during nighttime rides. Coupled with reflectors on the wheels, safety is prioritized for both the rider and other road users. Another commendable aspect of the Aipas M1 Pro is its versatility. The bike is designed with 3 riding modes: electric, pedal assist, and manual. This flexibility allows riders to choose how much effort they want to exert while biking. For those looking to exercise, the pedal assist mode is a great way to get a workout, while the full electric mode is ideal for those who want to reach their destination quickly without breaking a sweat. The manual mode provides a traditional biking experience, making it a well-rounded option for all types of cyclists. The Aipas M1 Pro also comes with a digital LCD display that provides essential information at a glance. Riders can monitor their speed, battery life, distance traveled, and even switch between different riding modes with ease. This user-friendly interface adds another layer of convenience, making it easy to keep track of your riding performance and make adjustments on the fly. One minor downside of the Aipas M1 Pro is its weight. Weighing around 70 pounds, the bike may be challenging to lift or maneuver for some users, especially when it comes to carrying it upstairs or loading it onto a vehicle. However, this weight does contribute to its stability and durability, which are essential for safe riding. Pricing is another important factor to consider. The Aipas M1 Pro is competitively priced, providing excellent value for the quality and features it offers. While it may be an investment compared to traditional bicycles, the long-term savings on transportation costs and the added convenience of electric assistance make it a worthwhile purchase for many users. In conclusion, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is a top-tier option for adults seeking an exhilarating and practical mode of transportation. Its powerful motor, impressive battery life, and robust design make it suitable for diverse riding conditions, whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or embarking on weekend adventures. With its focus on safety, comfort, and versatility, the Aipas M1